And Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Today it was awesome, it's a bit nice, so I thought I'm gonna cook outside. Today we're gonna make prawn masala curry. Okay, it's very easy and a quick dish as well. So, and I'm gonna tell you my ingredient of what I'm gonna use in there. So if you miss anything, you can go back to my video and you can follow from there. But I'm telling you guys, it's very easy and it will be very delicious. All right, I already prepare everything. All right, and it will be quick. Okay, guys, shall we start now? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put my pan on here. Okay. And I'm gonna put some oil in there. And I already chopped this onion, very small pieces, very fine. So it's a one onion. Okay, guys, first thing is I'm gonna put some lemon juice in there. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put some salt, about a quarter of a spoon. About quarter spoon black pepper, quarter spoon turmeric powder, and a pinch of mixed herb. I'm gonna put a little bit oil there, and I'm just gonna marinate this nicely. It won't take long, just about 10 minutes to marinate until my onions get ready. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave this for about 10 minutes. Okay, then I go to my onion. Okay, guys, check my onion. Need a bit more brown. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's brown enough. So I'm gonna put some spices in there. I'm gonna put some half a spoon salt in there. 1 spoon cumin powder. 1 spoon black pepper. Maybe about half a spoon garam masala. Half a spoon turmeric powder. Half a spoon mixed herb. It's about 2 spoon green chili paste because it's not hot chili paste, and 1 spoon of garlic, and it's 1 spoon is ginger. I'm gonna mix all nicely, and I'm gonna fry this all masala. And I'm gonna cook until masala is get ready. When it's masala color change, so mean it's ready. Okay guys, it's quite ready. I put some tomato paste. I blend this tomato. It's about 400 gram. I'm gonna put some oil in there as well. Have to put some more oil. So guys, I'm gonna leave this for cook in a few minutes. This masala is ready, so I'm gonna put prawns in there. And I'm gonna mix this prawns. And now it's already smells so nice. Juice in there. About a 2 tablespoon of juice, lemon juice I put in there. And now I'm gonna leave this for cook. Let's sit with my audience. This is Teddy. She's beautiful. So guys, Coco, come, Coco. They all want a separate attention, so they don't want to get together in one place. So guys, you can see how it's very nice smell. I'm gonna cook until it gets a little bit dry, and then I'm gonna garnish this. Okay, until it gets dry, I cut some chili and coriander. Okay guys, first I'm gonna cut some tomatoes. I'm gonna make a slice. I've got 2 small size of tomatoes. This one side, okay, and I'm gonna use some chili. Okay, just for garnish. It's not hot chili. It will give you nice flavor. Okay guys, this masala is dry, yeah, so it's okay. So Now I'm gonna put my garnishing on it. I'm gonna put some tomatoes, some chili, some coriander, I gotta leave 5 minutes for this tomatoes is get give softness, yeah, and just need a 5 minutes. I'm gonna dish out. Okay guys, this is my prawns masala curry. So what do you think about it? It's very delicious, very nice. Like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button as well. Okay guys, thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.